Toor dal ¼ cup. Masoor dal ¼ cup. Chana dal ¼ cup. Moong dal ¼ cup. Wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. Add soaked lentils. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste. Add 3 cups of water. On medium heat, pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Once pressure releases, open the lid carefully and set aside. Oil 3 tablespoons. Mustard seeds ½ teaspoon. Cumin seeds ½ teaspoon. 2 whole red chili. A pinch of hing. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 4 garlic cloves chopped. Ginger chopped. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 onion chopped. 2 green chili. Sauté the onions until translucent. 1 tomato chopped. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. On medium heat, mix well, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon. Garam masala ½ teaspoon. Mix well and sauté for 2 more minutes. Frozen spinach 400 gram. On medium heat, mix well, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Mix well. Add the cooked lentils. Mix well. Add 1 cup water. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well, let it simmer for 5 more minutes, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!